And I will be happy to tell my story after I have an opportunity to introduce our illustrious panel, our first illustrious panel of the day. Last night, I should say, before I do that, was also incredibly powerful. And the one thing that's carrying through, that I hope will carry through today, is the importance of empathy in the work that we do. It's such an unusual word to hear in a law school, empathy and love, and it's something that actually is what I do with my students who are working with people with HIV. I've been working with students representing clients with HIV for years, and I think the most important thing I can accomplish is if they leave law school with empathy for their clients. We're in these, anyway, so without further ado, it's my honor to introduce our very distinguished panel. And I will introduce everyone and then ask them to carry on, and we have about 15 minutes for each panelist, just so you're all aware. So our first panelist is Dr. Chris Breyer. He is a professor and director of the Public Health and Human Rights Program at the Johns Hopkins University, where he is also a graduate. He has done incredible work internationally as an epidemiologist and a physician in Africa, Russia, and other places as well, I believe. His resume is incredible in terms of his scientific papers. I can't even begin to describe them all, but you have the bio in front of you. So we look forward to hearing from Dr. Breyer, who will be using slides, I believe, as doctors are wont to do in my experience. Next, we have Jordan White, who is a social worker, who is also at Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health. He has been, he was a distinguished research fellow at the Center for Disease Control in Atlanta and was heavily involved in the first educational outreach campaign targeted at black, gay, and bisexual men to achieve prevention of HIV transmission, and he will talk about that work with us. He's a graduate of the School of Social Work at Columbia University. And our final panelist, who is Michelle Goodman, is a distinguished visitor here at Maryland this year, which has been incredible. She's brought an incredible richness to our academic community here, and we look forward to the continuation of her visit. I've had the pleasure of interacting with Professor Goodman on numerous occasions here. She holds a dual appointment at the University of Minnesota in the School of Medicine and the School of Law. She is incredibly prolific as a scholar, and I can't even begin again to describe all of her work, and I will ask her to do that. So.